Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. So we are watching the first movie of the two movie series of Percy Jackson and the Olympians. So this first movie, Percy Jackson and the Olympians, the Lightning Thief. So Percy is a 16-year-old who struggles with dyslexia and ADHD. But his unique ability to stay underwater is something that is out of this world. And one day on a school trip, he is attacked by a Lepto, who is a fury masquerading as his substitute English teacher, who demands the lightning bolt. So basically, in the underworld, Hades finds the lightning bolt hidden inside Luke's shield, revealing that Luke was the thief all along. Hades tries to kill the trio, but Persephone turns on him and retaliates for imprisoning her, and gives the bolt to Percy. As they only have 3 pearls, Grover remains behind while Percy, Annabeth, and Sally teleport to the Empire State Building, the entrance to the Mount Olympus. But before they can enter, they were ambushed by Luke, who reveals that he stole the boat to demolish Mount Olympus and establish the demigods as new rulers of the Western civilization. But Percy managed to kill Luke and return the lightning bolt to Zeus and reconciles with his father, who is Poseidon. So
Distract that thing, I'll get the pearl.